Yeah. No, you're good.
That's open Chaos Rising.
We got the hits on those ones already.
Oh, you already did?
Yeah. The Greninja and the gold one.
Already?
Yeah.
That was fast.
Out of ETB box. Yeah.
Both from an ETB?
One from a booster box and then one ETB box. Yeah.
I paused.
You got any luck on that set yet, or not yet?
I only got an illustration with
Oh, okay. Did you get it or no?
Yeah, I got one.
You got one? Nice. Got a little pack out of the machine.
We're literally still right in front of Safeway too.
Still in front of Safeway.
But
So we're gonna see what we can get.
Yeah, all we got was Journey Together. Someone else in front of us got like the other single packs, but it's alright. Please don't be a dud.
Okay, here we go, right here. Here's your hit. No SRR. Dang.
Darn it.